Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody stand in your way.
Alrighty, what have we got here? That's just one pasture-raised egg. That's a nice slice of sourdough bread. That's a spatula. That's a little butter, salt, and pepper. And that's that pan. Okay, Mike, how can you be so simple-minded? Yeah, it's the simplest thing I've ever done. And I've done a million egg recipes, but this is the fried egg with a nice medium yolk. My mouth's watering because I love a fried egg over toast, and that's what I'm making right now. Let's put this baby together. All right, what we're gonna do is put some butter in this pan to cook this egg. I like a lot of butter, so there's no sticky. All right, this is a medium pan. And you know, again, it depends on your stove. Sometimes it's a little different. Let's put that egg down. Oh, sorry. Perfect. Didn't mean it to be. See that, baby? Plenty of burr. I'm gonna give just a little pepper. So a little for me. All right, how are we doing? So you can see this baby can move around. You can see the goop right there. I'm gonna give that another 42.7 seconds and then we'll flip it. How do I know that? Because I use math when I cook an egg. Browning up from the butter. Nothing wrong with this egg. We're gonna do a flip right now. All right, beautiful. I'm gonna give that 30 seconds to keep it at medium. I'm shutting it off because the pan is hot. I can feel it. And I'm waiting for that toast to be done. We'll put this baby together. 30 seconds, this baby will be ready. We'll see you there. All right, that toast is perfect. Sourdough, it's gorgeous. We're gonna butter it up. That looks like some butter, Mike, but butter's good for you. The Surgeon General said it's like the healthiest thing you can eat. Don't listen to Mike. Let's get that egg. There's that egg. Perfect. Medium, slide it down. I'm gonna give just a little more pepper. And now just one crack of sodium. Just crack, see that? Look at that baby. Oh, that's gorgeous. See that? That's the money shot. And then let's take a bite. Are you ready? Oh yeah, there it is. Ah. Oh. Mmm. Simple. 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 I like my bird. I'm shining it. Simple. But that's the key to good eating. Good, simple, fresh ingredients made perfect like this one. Oh. Medium fried egg over toasted buttered sourdough. It's time to start my day today. And guess what? Put me in a good mood. You should try it too. It's delicious. I don't describe what an egg tastes like. Check out all my egg recipes. I got lots of them, hundreds of them. And check out videos at Live Life 365 on YouTube, where, you know, we're doing a lot of things that people love. Until next time, peace.
Live life 365.
Doesn't get easy. Doesn't get simpler than this. That's what she said. All right. Put the toast down. That's another thing she said. I like pepper. I like when things work. Gives me low sodium. Here's the deal. You know who says that? Here's the deal. Joe Biden says, here's the deal all the time. What's his deal? Trump says, here's the deal. Yeah, no, he doesn't say it. Another bite. That's the sweetest of the bad boo boo. Other people say, Mark, make these fried egg recipes. Maybe one's like the same as the other. Well, you can only fry an egg a certain way. I've had to get creative with this nice toast. And I gotta tell you, seriously, I'm gonna tell you the truth. This is probably made me happy. I'm happier. I'm very happy. Bella. I know people talk about stuff that right there is the beginning of my living room. You can see it. Those are stairs that go downstairs to my office. And it just keeps going. That's pretty. I think that's nice. My wife did a really nice job. She's great. She's a lovely lady. That door leads to the bedrooms, master. And this. How'd I let my beard get so long? This is COVID. That's right.